Could you survive falling into Jupiter? Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. But what if you fell straight into it? Would you hit a surface, be crushed instantly, or fall forever into the unknown? Today, let's follow your journey, second by second, as you plunge into the most dangerous planet we know. Entry into the atmosphere. As you approach Jupiter, you'd first pass through its thin outer clouds. They look harmless from a distance, but these clouds are made of ammonia crystals and swirling storms larger than Earth itself. Within seconds, you'd be tossed around by winds reaching 300 miles per hour, stronger than the most powerful hurricanes on Earth. And then comes the lightning. Jupiter produces bolts up to 10 times more powerful than anything ever recorded on Earth, enough to vaporize you instantly if you were struck. Deeper into the gas layers, survive the storms, and you'd sink deeper. Now, the pressure builds rapidly. After just a few minutes, it's the equivalent of being thousands of feet under Earth's oceans. Your lungs would collapse, and your bones would begin to fracture. Even robotic probes can't handle this. NASA's Galileo spacecraft was destroyed by these crushing forces back in 1995 after sending just 57 minutes of data. The superheated atmosphere. The deeper you fall, the hotter it gets. Temperatures rise past 1,000 degrees Celsius, then 5,000, and eventually tens of thousands, hotter than the surface of the sun. Your body would ignite and vaporize long before reaching the planet's mysterious depths. But let's imagine, somehow, you're indestructible. Metallic hydrogen ocean. You'd eventually reach a bizarre region scientists call metallic hydrogen. Here, under insane pressure, hydrogen acts like a liquid metal that can conduct electricity. This strange layer might be responsible for Jupiter's gigantic magnetic field, the strongest of any planet in the solar system. Being here would mean bathing in lethal radiation doses every second, far beyond what humans can survive. The unknown core. At the very center, there might be a solid or slushy core made of rock and ice, or maybe not. Scientists still debate this, but whether it's solid or not, you'd never live to find out. So, what's the point of imagining this impossible journey? It's more than just curiosity. Jupiter shapes our solar system. Its gravity protects Earth by pulling in comets and asteroids that might otherwise strike us. But it can also fling deadly objects toward us, making it both our guardian and our potential executioner. Studying Jupiter teaches us about the extreme limits of physics, pressures, temperatures, and chemistry we can't recreate on Earth. Missions like Juno are helping us uncover these secrets, and one day they might even explain how planets and life itself are born. So, could you survive falling into Jupiter? Absolutely not. You'd be crushed, burned, and vaporized long before reaching the core. But by studying Jupiter, we survive a little longer here on Earth. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, subscribe, and check out our other videos, where we explore the terrifying, fascinating, and mind-bending realities of our universe.